Experience unparalleled luxury like never before at Evergreen Student Accommodation in the heart of New York City. Nestled amidst the vibrant Bushwick neighborhood, Evergreen offers stylish and spacious private bedrooms and fully furnished shared suites, each tailored to the needs of today's students. All the room here comes complete with a cozy bed, sleek bedside table, expansive windows, thoughtfully designed layouts, and ample storage spaces to keep your life organized. Plus, each suite comes with in-unit laundry, complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, and updated appliances. On a lazy weekend, lounge with a good book and coffee in the backyard or bask in the glow of a city sunset from the rooftop terrace. And when you wish to kick back and relax, head to the community lounge where you can study, work, or relish a game night with your roommates when the day is done. As for location, Evergreen Apartment is only a few blocks away from the M and J subway lines and an easy commute to numerous prestigious campuses, such as New York University, Brooklyn Law College, and even downtown Manhattan. When you step out, you'll discover that Bushwick is surrounded by walkable neighborhoods like Bed-Stuy, Ridgewood, and East Williamsburg, each brimming with an array of activities and experiences waiting to be explored. The extraordinary life of New York City awaits you, and it all begins at Evergreen Student Accommodation. Visit amberstudent.com to book this apartment today.